Hi guys, welcome to the Savvy Money Show with me, your host Sean. If you enjoy today's entertainment, don't forget to smash that lovely like button. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell notification. If you have subscribed already, thank you very much. I appreciate you giving up your precious time to watch this video. Hitting the like button helps with the YouTube algorithm and getting the video out to more people. If you're looking for a free trading platform in which to trade your stocks and shares, don't forget to look in the links in the description below. You get a free share worth up to £200 for signing up and depositing a small amount. Free trade only requires a £1 deposit, so why wouldn't you? Now on with the show, and yes, it's a tanker one again. Right, people are wondering why tanker stocks are going down. A report come out saying how Robinhood investors are heavily into NAT and tanker stocks, especially NAT. This shows you the institutions that are in and out of NAT, and you can see how many of them have come out. Now you'll see Robinhood positions and what ones they are in. Sorry about that. And you see freight rates versus NAT stock. I'm trying to get this done as quickly as possible, sorry. And you'll see the performance versus peers for the past 3 months. NAT over the past 3 months has done well because it was hyped up and it done so well, even though as a company it doesn't have as good a balance sheet or as good a sheet as the others. As I said at the beginning of all this, the top ones are DHT, Frontline and Euronav. Although Frontline has gone in the third position because they're going to be releasing all those shares, which you'll see. The other thing is, you got to think, like with a company like that, how they are going, they're expecting a quarter to be just too high and then drop drastically, and it doesn't seem right. Now we spoke before how DHT was undervalued, and we're going to the calls and puts. No, sorry about this, my head is in the way as always, and you'll see there's nothing really changed here. More calls than puts, and again more calls than puts. They were getting a few more puts going in, but nothing massively, and again more calls than puts. We are starting to get puts going in, but nothing massively. And remember that before and with NAT we still have almost 3 times the amount of calls as puts. We are getting on like these tanker stocks more puts, which may end up with a short squeeze again, but if you remember, we were getting double to 3 times the amount of calls that we had at puts a week ago. That's not happening anymore. It's evening out now. Yeah, and with TK and TNK it's the same as it was. Nothing to write home about. DHT's trend sheet. Now we'll look here to see whether it's worth entering into. and same with euronav. Well, with euronav it looks like we're down, but if we look at the dividend we would have received, we come out about even. Frontline and DHT, it depends the price point you went in, but again it's the same. NAT, it depends what plan you went in with. If you went in with just a buy and hold, then you're going to be down. If you sold when you made a profit and then you bought back in, depends the price point you bought back in again. Now I don't know which stock you're in, whether you're in NAT, DHT, euronav. You could even be in TK, I hope not, but you could be. Remember, there are embargoes on any tanker that has gone to Greece, so they won't allow it to go to American soil, and there are other countries joining that, and so no one's going to touch anything that's gone to. Sorry, I'm saying Greece. Why am I saying Greece? I'm saying it because 2 Greek tanker companies have been shunned. Any companies, excuse me, I can't even speak English and I'm from the country. Any tankers that have gone to Venezuela. So it's going to be any countries that have gone to Venezuela. It's so anyone that's been anywhere near Venezuela, no one is touching, because they don't want the whole company to be penalised as a result, and trying to get the share price up. As I said in the last week's update, if you caught that, I showed evidence that NAT put before the board, if the share price stays this low by January, they will sell 2 tankers to do a share buyback scheme, or well, not to do a share buyback scheme, but to consider a share buyback scheme. Now, share buyback scheme isn't a bad thing, but when you're a company with debt on your books, get rid of the debt first. If they have got rid of the debt by then, fine, but I think you've guaranteed high dividends. Surely you should sort out the dividends first. And selling the tanker, you would have been better off doing what euronav done during the oil crisis when prices were high. Euronav sold a used tanker for more than a new tanker. Try and sort out your business sense first of all. This isn't bashing NAT, I'm just saying you're already telling people and the business that you're preparing to sell 2 tankers. It's not like you're going to have people clambering for them. Anyway, don't forget to leave me a like, hit the like button. If you agree with me, fine. If you disagree with me, fine. But rather than just hitting the dislike button, please comment in the box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.